Hey YouTube, Untamed here. Figured I'd shoot a quick video showing you what a typical day in Wyoming, I guess a typical winter's day in Wyoming can look like. And I got just arriving home. I got the family with me here. Okay, well, Exhibit A. Say hi, Everly. Say hi. Okay. Well, we made the mistake of getting her some ice cream. But real quick, I figured I'd show you the windiness of Wyoming. In town, actually, there's hold on, Everly. In town, there's actually a ton of snow all over the ground. You wouldn't think it by seeing what you see here, but all the wind is blowing a bunch of drifts and just is built up pretty bad. These Nitto Ridge grapplers, they handled the snow extremely well though, so I am super impressed with them overall. And again, no rubbing, so they get packed full of snow and all that, and there's still no rubbing. As you can see here, this is the point of view from a normal driving. You got the hood scoop right there that bumps up just a couple of inches, so it really isn't really too intrusive. But yeah, so I'll just show you real quick and let you know what a normal day in Wyoming looks like. Until next time, thanks.